Welcome back to the Next SciPaper YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well today. In this episode, we're going to run a hands-on workshop and actually use the scientific concepts we discussed in the previous session. This time, everything will be more practical, more visual, and easier to remember. Last time, we talked about 4 important identifiers in academic publishing: DOI, the digital ID for research articles; ISSN, the ID for journals; ISBN, the ID for books; and ORCID, the unique ID that identifies authors. Today, we're going to search each of these identifiers and see what they actually give us. Let's start with the DOI. The easiest way to access an article is simply by searching its DOI. When you open the DOI website, you'll see a search box. Paste the DOI, hit Submit, and it takes you straight to the exact article. You'll see the journal, the title, the article type, and all the details. If you ever have a DOI but can't find the download button on a journal page, just search the DOI. It's the fastest and simplest way to reach the article. Next, let's look at the ISBN. When we search the ISBN code, the first website that appears is usually the most reliable one. Enter the code, and it shows all the details about the book, the edition, the binding, the publisher, the publication date, and even where you can buy it. You'll notice both 10-digit and 13-digit ISBNs. Books published before 2007 usually have a 10-digit ISBN, and newer books use the 13-digit format. Now let's check the ISSN. When we open the ISSN website and go to the Find section, we can paste the ISSN code. After searching, it shows us the journal associated with that code. For example, it may bring up the journal Nature. This is helpful when you have an ISSN but don't know which journal it belongs to. Finally, let's look at ORCID. When you click an ORCID link in an article, it takes you to the author's profile on orcid.org. The 16-digit code uniquely identifies the author, which helps distinguish between researchers with similar names. Now, I've also brought 3 articles from 3 different fields: psychology, finance, and materials engineering. Across all of them, you'll notice a similar structure. Every article has a title, a list of authors, and a section for affiliations. The corresponding author is usually marked with a star. You'll also see the submission date, the acceptance date, the publication date, the keywords, the DOI, and sometimes the ISSN. Some articles include funding information at the end instead of the beginning. No matter the field, most articles follow this general layout. In the next session, we'll explore citation databases and academic search platforms. We'll learn how to find journals in your field, how to identify reputable journals, and how to search effectively. After that, we'll break down the structure of an article, including the abstract and the introduction. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us keep creating high-quality content here on the Next SciPaper channel.